thing. I've got one B lounder. My red snapper was big, but I couldn't keep it out of season. Okay, so the Michael back there. You gotta pull. You gotta pull. Look over there, look at there. What's that? I had to throw him back. All right. I had to rest a minute. Let me get back to it.
Tired man, rest.
I'm just, all right. Just got two B-liners. Look like one is too small. One is a keeper. Had to throw that one away. I'm gonna measure this one. That's a keeper. All right. You got something?
No man, just look and see.
It's a perfect day. It's not hot. It's not too rocky. A little bitty baby. That's who's been robbing me. Willie's over there.
Alright, he's going back.
All right, let's take a break. I'll come back in a minute. Place my bake my hooks.
I got a whole marketing page, but
It started raining on us, but we're gonna stay out here, keep on fishing. This is Richards, right there.
come on, man.
Mine's right here. All right, let me sit back down. Come back at you.